Hello viewers, we are going to learn how to fix Eero WiFi extender blinking white light. So let's get started. If your Eero extender is flashing light, start by checking the power connection. Always make sure the power cord is firmly plugged in and try reconnecting it to ensure proper power supply. If that doesn't solve the issue, you can reset the extender. For this, press and hold the reset button until the light turns red, then let go. This restores the device to its original factory settings. Once the extender restarts, you can open the Eero application and add the extender back to your network by following the on-screen setup instructions. Next, verify that the device is running the latest software or firmware. In the application, select the extender and look for an update option. Then install any available updates. If the blinking white light continues, even after these steps, you have to reach out to Eero customer support. They can guide you through advanced troubleshooting if needed. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.